A strong network can help you find the right opportunities and clients, learn new things, and keep up with the latest changes in your field. In short, it can help you in almost every part of your job. Following are some ideas that can help you with design networking if you don't know where to begin or just want to improve your work. Why networking is important for architects. In the design business, it's important to build a strong network. For architects, networking is a way to meet possible clients, coworkers, and mentors who can help them advance in their careers. Other workers in the field can also help by sharing their contacts, not just with other architects, but also with manufacturers, contractors, suppliers, and other important people who can help finish projects. It's possible to get new job chances and referrals by building a strong network, and it doesn't just have to be with other architects. Getting to know contractors and suppliers can also help you make more business connections in the field. Similarly, getting to know people in related fields like real estate agents, architects, construction workers, and project managers can lead to future chances to work together. A lot of big projects need people with skills from more than one field. If you already have links in other fields, you can get this kind of work. Putting together a network is also a way to learn. It's important to stay up to date on the latest trends, tools, and best practices in the design world. Talking to your coworkers and peers can help you do this. You can also share what you know when you network. It gives people a place to share their thoughts and experiences, and get help from others who have been through the same things. These new ideas can help you avoid making the same mistakes and come up with better ways to deal with problems in the future. As we explore these marketing strategies, it's worth mentioning our customized marketing course for the architecture sector. This course dives deep into practical applications, using real-life cases from top architecture companies to help you avoid costly mistakes. You can find the course link in the description below and in the first pinned comment. Last but not least, networking is a great way to become known in the design field. You will become more well-known in your field as you meet more people. Building trust with new clients can be very helpful in this way. This makes it more likely that you will not only find out about these projects, but also be hired for the job. In turn, this generally means faster career growth, whether that means getting a new job or a promotion at your current company. Join groups for professionals. There are many organizations and groups for architects to join to meet other people in the same line of work. Joining these groups can help you make connections on its own. A lot of groups have an internet forum where architects can talk, share information, and make friends. Because many organizations have member directories and online job boards, being a member can also help you find work. Professional groups also often put on events for networking, such as trade shows, conferences, and workshops. You can make new friends in the design world at these events, where you can also learn new things and improve the ones you already have. Go to events in your field. People who belong to professional design groups say that one of the benefits is that they let you join their networking events, but you usually don't have to be a member to go to these events. There are also other events in the architecture business that aren't put on by any one organization that give architects the chance to meet more people. Still, you can go to a lot of smaller events as well. Some of these may be even better for networking and job growth. To meet other workers in your area, you can look into what workshops, trade shows, or meetups are happening nearby. You don't have to stick to events just for architects either. Events for related fields can be a great way to meet suppliers, construction leaders, and other important people in the building industry who can help you advance your job. Help out and give back. One of the best ways to build a network is to help other people. Helping others by giving your time, knowledge, or skills for a good cause makes people like you and shows that you care about the world and the people in it, not just building as a job. Many things can be done as volunteer work. There are many programs that work with schools to train the next generation of professionals, and they're often looking for new architects who are ready to share what they know. There's also the option to help one of the above groups plan workshops and other events as a volunteer. Speaking of successful strategies, in our customized marketing course for the architecture sector, we explore how companies like these implement these techniques effectively with real-life case studies. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Think about your field, the work you do, and the causes you care about to find the right volunteer events for you. If you use these criteria, you can narrow your search and find the right chances. Use social media to interact with the community. Professionals in any field can use social media to connect with others easily. Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are visual tools that architects can use to show off their work and connect with other architects. LinkedIn is another great way to meet people in all kinds of fields. You can build your credibility on LinkedIn by sharing articles that show you know a lot about your area and are active in it. If you want to get the most out of social media, you have to use it. This doesn't just mean writing a lot of posts yourself. Connect with other users and like, share, and comment on their posts is just as useful. Also, you don't have to use every site to get something out of them. Really, it's better to be active every day on one site than to have profiles on a bunch of different ones that you rarely use. Pick the 1 or 2 social media sites you like best, and then go out of your way to find and interact with other architects on those sites. Share what you know. Sharing what you know can teach possible clients and collaborators some very useful things, just like volunteering. First, it shows that you are an expert and a person of power. This also shows that you care about other people's growth and learning as well as your own. The best place to start sharing what you know is online. Putting helpful and interesting articles on your social media pages or making your own on a blog or website could be one way to do this. You could also write for newspapers in your field. Being written in the magazine or newsletter of a professional organization can help you get noticed by other members of the group and show that you are an expert in your field. Also, you can share what you know with someone one-on-one, either casually or through a program. You might want to join a group where young architects can get help from more experienced architects, or a peer feedback group, where people help each other find tools and answer questions. This type of interaction can be helpful for both parties. It can give you new information about the subject while you share your knowledge with others and build your network. Taking care of and keeping up network ties. Meeting a lot of people and writing down their names isn't the only way to network. It's not like Pokemon, where you want to catch them all. The connections you make are what make networking work. You need to take care of these connections with other workers, just like any other relationship if you want them to last. Follow up with people you meet at business events, while volunteering, or online. This is the first thing you should do. It's not necessary for this to be a long message. A quick note telling them you liked meeting them can help to keep the link strong. One last thing to remember is that not every person in your network needs the same amount of care. As you learn more people, it can be helpful to put them into groups, like current clients, current coworkers, possible clients, and so on. When you do this, you can decide which ties are most important to you and how you want to care for them. Getting the most out of networking. As an architect, there isn't just one way to build your network that works. Planning how you will network should include thinking about who you are and the things you like to do. For example, if you like meeting people in real life, you can spend more time going to events and less time on social media. An online group can be a more comfortable way for someone who is more shy to get involved in your field. In the end, networking can be the key to your perfect future as an architect, no matter what method you use. To sum up, if you're looking to avoid common marketing pitfalls, our customized marketing course for the architecture sector offers in-depth insights, complete with real-life examples. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment.